me again. What am I doing? I'm welding that thing to there. I'm trying to fix my sandblaster. It's basically a siphon tube. I'm looking at this camera here, but am I supposed to be looking over here? No. Anyway, that's the siphon. The sand goes in there, and I'm going to connect the tube siphon at the bottom. Basically, I'm upgrading it. Sandblaster. I was trying to fix it last year, got off track, and now I'm going to weld it on and fix the rest of it. So stay tuned, I'll make a small video and you can watch it. So stay tuned. Here's all my junk in the back. Keep watching. Well, my welding machine was acting weird, so it's holding. I don't care. Nobody's ever going to see it. The molding will cover it. It's I don't know, my machine's been acting weird since the last year or so. I think it's time I buy a new welder. Mine's like, 15, 20 years old. So anyway, that's just going to hold sand. I'm going to make a little patch there. And all the sand will pour out the bottom. I'll wait till it cools off and I'll put it away. Anyway, that's it for now.